Good morning, class 5. Welcome to your online science class. We were doing the first chapter, food and health, and we are near about at the end of the chapter. Today we will start from non-infectious disease. In the previous classes, we have done infectious disease, and today we are starting with non-infectious disease. Some diseases do not spread from one person to another. Such diseases are called non-infectious or non-communicable disease. Just like the infectious disease was denoted as communicable disease, non-infectious disease is denoted as non-communicable disease. Why? Because it is not communicated, it is not occurring due to the communication of two people. Over there we have seen why communicable disease are occurring due to the communication. Though the way of communication is very bad, they are affected from one person to the other. Here there is no reason of communication, and the diseases are occurring due to the deficiency disease. Deficiency disease. Sometimes diseases are caused due to lack of right kind of food in our diet. Such diseases are called deficiency disease. So disease which can cause due to the bad diet or the bad routine of diet is called deficiency disease. Lack of carbohydrates, protein, vitamins and minerals cause deficiency disease in the body. The table on the next page will tell you about some vitamins and minerals and their deficiency disease that we will see first. See here in page 7, everything is written: vitamin A, vitamin B1, C, D, iron, calcium, phosphorus and iodine. Some vitamins and some minerals. Now vitamin A, C, different sources are there, and vitamin B, different sources are there. All you have to do is here in each case you have to read two sources. What is the function, and finally what is the deficiency disease caused by that particular vitamins or minerals. Now the sources all you don't have to read because plenty are in number. Vitamin A, suppose to carrot and milk. What is the function? Protects eye, helps to keep skin, bones and teeth healthy. And what is the deficiency disease? Night blindness, cannot see properly in dark. So this is the disease which can cause due to the deficiency of vitamin A. What is the meaning of deficiency of vitamin A? Means the nutrients vitamin A is reaching less in your body, and that is why the night blindness has occurred. B1, like milk and fish, need for proper functioning of nerves and hearts. Vitamin C, orange and other citrus fruits, those who are juicy fruits, and cauliflower, tomato, any two or three you will read. Vitamin D, milk, cheese, fish, egg, sunlight. Vitamin C, what is the function of it? Needs of normal growth and development. Scurvy, what is the deficiency disease? Scurvy, when our gum starts bleeding. Finally, vitamin D, what is the function of it? Ensures healthy bones and teeth, and rickets, soft bones. It will help, it will cause the breaking of the bones easily, okay, or bending bone. Now mineral C, iron, liver, meat, seafood, etc. are the sources. Functions, part of red blood cells, and anemia. If there is a less amount of iron in our body, we all know that there is a disease called anemia. Calcium, when do we get, from where do we get calcium? Milk products, eggs, etc. Strengthen bones and teeth, and if the deficiency occurs, obviously it will deteriorate the condition of the bones and teeth, which are very much dependent on proper amount of calcium. Phosphorus, meat. See, all this chart more or less you have to by heart. The sources 2 or 3 is sufficient, as I have told you earlier. Phosphorus, meat, fish, milk and milk products. Strengthen bones and teeth and maintain the body. And finally, pain in the joint. What is the disease of less phosphorus in our body? Pain in the joint, poor bones development. And finally, iodine, seafood, iodized salt, which controls growth and body activities. Iodine is also important for our body, And if there is a deficiency of iron, what will happen? It will cause goiter, means here this region used to swell. Swell means phule jawa. In Bengali we call it phule jawa, or the place will enlarge, isn't it? Okay. Other non-communicable, now we will again come to page 6. Other non-communicable diseases. You sometimes get a rash or have a bad reaction to some food items, medicines, dust and so on. Such a reaction to the substance is called allergy. Now see, sometimes we see that our body starts itching, or we get rash after eating some food, some seafood like some, or any vegetables. Some people have some problem. After they eat that, they start itching. So that is due to allergy. You can get disease like obesity and heart disease if you eat too much of unhealthy food. Obesity means when you get fat, and fat is stored in your body. Some disease like diabetes and arthritis are caused when a part of your body does not work properly. So arthritis is a bone problem, and diabetes is basically, in general language we tell it as sugar. When the sugar level is high, it is called diabetic patient. The patient is called diabetic patient. Air pollution can cause non-communicable disease of breathing system like asthma. So asthma is another disease through which the breathing trouble occurs. Some non-communicable diseases are caused by bad habits such as smoking and drinking alcohol. Always you will see in TV channels, in the different medias, we are seeing that smoking is injurious for health, or drinking alcohol is injurious for health. So we must take care of that, and we should avoid all these bad habits from our life. So this is all about from this place. You will read the deficiency diseases and the important vitamins and minerals and their deficiency diseases. This part is mainly important for your objective. Like vitamin A, what is the deficiency disease of vitamin A? If I ask you, you have to write 9 blindness. Or if I ask you that what is the deficiency disease of calcium, you have to tell that soft bones and weaknesses. So from this chart particularly, why you have to by heart, for not for long question but for objective or short questions. Now other non-communicable diseases, page 6, allergy, obesity, diabetes, this all you have to read for the short one sentence answer, or maybe fill in the blanks or tick the correct answer like that. The next day will be the last day of this chapter, that is part 10, and we will come to the remaining part, that is the exercise based at good posture. So go through the chapters in details, and you will get your question answer in PDF. Thank you.